Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, before we get started with today's day in the life video, I wanted to let you know that today's video is sponsored by Owl Crate Jr. They are a book subscription, monthly subscription, and I got the Owl Crate Jr. because of the ages of my kids. So I wanted to quickly show you right here, caution may contain magic. So this is a really fun way, whether you're a homeschooler or not, to integrate some excitement around reading into your household. So when your Owl Crate box arrives, you know, you can open it with your kiddos, but I wanted to show you guys what's inside. So it says right on the inside, snuggle up and enjoy your new book. So they send you a book, and for this spring it is birds, so it says Birds of a Feather right here, and it is the March 2019 book. And it says right on it, spoiler alert. So I don't know that you want me to tell you this, but basically every month has a different book, and so you know, it's a great way for you to read books you might not pick up and have them come straight to you. And what I really thought was so cute was that they include a little birdie in here to read, to go, you know, he's like your little buddy. He's a little owl and he's so cute. And my kids get excited about this. You could even use this to prompt a homeschool unit study. Watch some, you know, some documentaries, go outside and see what kind of birds you can find, read the book. Like, there's tons of things you can do. So I love monthly subscription services like this for that purpose, because it helps kind of take all the pressure off of you and it gives you some good ideas. So we got this cute little owl guy, and then there's some, you know, packaging stuff in there that we're gonna move. And then we have a scented scratch stickers of tropical birds. So how fun is that for your kiddos to play with? And then, oh, this is so funny. A little flamingo. Here, let me try to show it to you. A little flamingo, I think it's a pen. Yeah, it's a pen. So everything is bird themed. And they sent the National Geographic Ultimate Explorer Field Guide about birds. So see what I mean? How you could make this into a whole unit study. My kids love these National Geographic books. They are always checking them out at the library. So excited about that. We have a little bird keychain here. Really cute. And then we, of course, have the actual book. It is a hardcover book, which I just think is great. And it is the simple art. Oh my gosh, my water bottle just fell off the bed. And okay, now that I've recovered from the scare, The Simple Art of Flying by Cory Leonardo. It is a hardcover book, and the back says, the glowing box has told Fritz that African greys can be vain, suspicious, and opinionated. Greys can have irrational phobias. We hold grudges, and when raised apart from our bird parents, we tend to think of ourselves as human instead of embracing our identity as birds. It's part of our biology, Aggie says plainly. It's science. I'd say it's pretty clear we can't trust this thing. So this looks like a really cute book, of course, about birds, and that is what this whole box was about. So in here we have the Owl Crate Jr. March 2019 Birds of a Feather, and also in here, really cute, they have about the author, so you could let your kids know about that. And then there's also this, which I think my kids are gonna love, how to draw a parrot. So the theme is there for you. So thank you to Owl Crate again for sponsoring today's video. I love this subscription. I highly recommend it. Every month you can get a different book with all these cute little themed materials delivered to your door. I will have it linked down below for you guys to check out if you're interested. And now let's get going with this day in the life. Timestamp check-in. It is 9:03 and we are getting ready to start our school day. So everybody is over on the couch and we're gonna do our morning time subjects. which if you've been watching me for a while, you know this, but we have a history lesson to do today, our Bible and devotional under there, and then we are going to be starting a new book, which is over there, from our Owl Crate box, which you guys saw, The Simple Art of Flying. So that is going to be our read aloud today, so we have that there. So we're going to go ahead and start with this, and then I'll check in with you guys. Find the big 40. It's going to be close because you're in 38. So get past these. Now that's what, 39? So we need just to turn the page one time. Where's 40? Now find the small 2. There you go.
Mud and dirt. You set my feet on a rock. He gave me a firm place to stand on. He gave me a new song to sing. It is a hymn of praise to our God. Many people will see and have respect for the Lord.
Finished putting them all in order, and then we discussed them a little bit, and so now the last part that they need to do for history is do their student explorers. So those are right over here.
I know what we're doing.
So they are going to do their lesson in their student explorers, but this right here is talking about all the different types of gifts and skills Benjamin Franklin and George Washington and Jefferson had. So it's helping them identify some of their gifts and skills and how they can use them to serve or help other people. So love that. So we're going to work on that first.
Oh, can I?
Now that my older kids are done with their student explorer history assignments, I'm still helping her with hers. They are able to just go on to their independent subjects, and this is why them knowing the order and flow of their school day is largely beneficial, as well as having some independent work to work on. So she just finished her handwriting, as you saw. He over here is actually already done with his handwriting level for this year because we are nearing the end of the school year where everyone finishes things at different, times and days. So once they finish something, we just set it aside and then we take out that piece temporarily until we start our new school year. And over here, he is working on his handwriting. He said he only has how many lessons left?
3.
3. So he's going to be done with that pretty soon, and then we'll hold off on starting a new handwriting book until we start our new school year. So I've done a video on how I just list out what I want them to do and why I put it in that order, and this is the primary reason, so I can help her and they are not delayed waiting on me. You guys, another time update. It's 10:20, so we've been working for about an hour and a half now, and like I just mentioned, all of them are working on their individual subjects. So he's working on his language arts, he's working on math. I was just working on math with her, but she can do the time clocks independently. So that's what I try to do. I try to sit and help and teach where I'm needed, and then I try to facilitate some independent work as well by saying, okay, you can do all those clocks, and then I get up and I, move around the table where I'm needed. And then she is over here working on editing her autobiography that she was writing for language arts. Today's the last day, so she's gonna read that to me once she's done editing it.
I can be very stubborn at times, but it can be a good personality because if someone offered me poison, I think I would refuse. I'm also pretty honest. I never tell a lie. I'm told that I'm kind too. I do like to give to others and to treat my siblings with my money for toys, and soon I'm going to buy them a milkshake. I think.
Right here. Cap. And then you add the silent E, and then what does it say?
Cape.
Good. What does that one say now?
Hope.
Good. So the reason why we are utilizing this little workbook we have is because she actually has finished The Good and the Beautiful level 1, and because there were a different number of lessons in her language arts book versus like his and hers, she has finished her book first. So what we're doing now is we're just reviewing the charts in the back of the book because that can never hurt. And then I'm just having her do a few workbook pages a day because she does enjoy doing that. And they are reinforcing some of the concepts that she did learn in here. Now, some people might just go ahead and move her on to the next course book, but I like to start a new school year with new materials. So we're going to just do this for a few weeks until we wrap up, just to keep her going with her language arts area. But yeah, I just wanted to explain that. So I already do have her level 2 book, but we're going to hold off on starting it until we start our new school year. Looking really good, bud.
Thanks.
So he's working on the art portion of his language arts, which is watercoloring that flower using darker colors and lighter colors. So how do you make the colors lighter?
By adding more water.
Taking a little break to have a snack. This is what I'm gonna have. They're just having whatever they choose, granola bars. She's reading, and he is getting ready to go upstairs. He's gonna take his typing lesson with him, and he is also gonna do his math lesson. He is still using teaching textbooks, and it's going really well for him. I will be doing a review on it coming up, but yeah, headed upstairs.
Yep. And ask for money, so
that's what's happening in the story. So he's gonna keep reading.
Yes, she might have to get a little muddy, thought the prince, but she is sure to find the coins. Then she will be fed for nearly 2 months with a feeling of satisfaction.
So it is about 11:15 now, and she is working on her last subject of the day, which is her math. And we have my son over here. He is almost done with his language arts. That's the last thing he needs to do. So this is when she's done with school, and I usually try to set her up with something to do. So today we're going to use the stickers that came in our owl crate box. They're tropical bird scented stickers, and I'm gonna let her create a picture with these stickers. Does that sound like fun? Okay. Lunch break time. So everybody's having their lunch, and everybody is done with all of their independent work, and it is 12:08. So that is good time for us. So what we're going to do after is do a fun project from our owl crate box that you guys heard me talk about in the beginning of the video. I'm going to read the first chapter of The Simple Art of Flying, and then I'm going to have the kids do this just for fun project of drawing the parrot in 6 easy steps. And for my older kiddos, I'm going to have them go through this book and find some interesting facts and probably include it on there. So that's just an easy little activity to do with your owl crate box. Of course, the themes will be different all the time. And if you're wondering what that noise is, the pressure cooker over there. Okay, read the next step, buddy.
Okay. Step 2. After that, draw the eye and the, that.
What does it say? Lower beak. So we're going to add the eye and then the lower beak.
You need to see this.
So we've got the laptop up with some images for realistic colorings of the parrots we drew using our owl crate little instructions there. So let's see yours. Move your hand. Very nice. Details on the branch. Let's see yours. Good job. And we've got this one over here. That's a little blue. That one shaded in. So now, just going to read a little bit of this while they finish coloring. And then call it a day.
Oh, can I scoot it?
Your bird. Pretty yellow one. And over here, bring it in nice and close. Wowzers. Let's see yours. Very cute and adorable. He's not ready to reveal his. Can we have a sneak peek?
No.
No? They're going to be sad they didn't see your bird. Show us.